everyone, I'm Diane Bridges. I'm Emily's mom, and today I'm going to make a spaghetti dinner with homemade meat sauce. So for our ingredients today, we'll need a pound of ground hamburger. We'll need some extra virgin olive oil. We'll be using some passata, which is strained tomatoes that have not been cooked. Some granulated garlic. Whole tomatoes, 2 cans, some red pepper flakes, pepper, salt, some grated asiago cheese, and fresh garlic. So one of the first steps I need to do is to peel the garlic and get that ready. You can use as much garlic as you'd like. It's all up to you and your flavoring. So what I'd like to do is use a mallet to just give it a little smush and release some of the garlic flavor before I put it in the pot. So we set the pan to medium-high and drizzle some EVO in the pan. Just enough to coat the bottom. We don't need too much, but it is a nice flavor. So now we'll add the garlic to the EVO. And we'll let that cook until it gets soft and flavorful, probably about 5 minutes. So next we're going to add the ground beef to the pot. We'll break this up a little bit. And then we'll let this cook until it's brown. So now I'm ready to add the sauce and the spices now that our meat is browned. So I use a cup of the passata. That'll give it a nice flavor and also thicken it up just a little bit. Next we'll use a can of the tomatoes. And we need to crush those. You do it by hand if you'd like, or I just use this potato masher. So we'll start with some granulated garlic. I have about a tablespoon here. Next we'll use some salt and pepper to taste. Then we'll use some crushed red pepper. Depends on how spicy you like it. Just a little bit of flakes. Finally, we're going to add some of the asiago cheese. This has been grated. And I'll use about 2 tablespoons. Next, we'll mix all this together. Now that it's come to a boil, we're going to lower the heat, put on the lid, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. So for our pasta, I've decided to use a capellini style spaghetti, which is on the thinner side, not quite as thin as angel hair. The water has come to a boil, which I had added olive oil to prior to this. And now we will allow that to cook to the recommended time of about 7 to 8 minutes for al dente. So now our pasta is finished. We'll add some to the dish. So that completes my demonstration on how to make a simple meat sauce for your spaghetti. Enjoy.